Namaskar and good evening. Today we will look at another very good company, Mangalam Organics Limited. It has reached its Q2 results today, and the results are quite good. Actually, the Q1 results were themselves very good. Now, the Q2 results are even better than that Q1 result. So, Mangalam Organics has hoisted itself several steps higher than last year. Mangalam Organics manufactures camphor, sodium acetate and its byproducts, terpene based chemicals, synthetic resins. At its units, which are located at Kumbhiwali village, Khalapur Taluk, Khopoli, Raigad district, Maharashtra. So it is in Maharashtra. Now let us see the Q2 results. Net sales in Q2 are 109 crores against 88 crores in Q1 and 71 crores in last Q2. Again I repeat, 109 crores in this Q2 but 71 crores only last Q2, which is 53.32% higher in this Q2. 53 point higher in sales. Now, if you compare it with the previous quarter, June quarter, that is Q1 quarter, it is 24.38% higher. So, sequentially, as also year on year, the sales performance is quite good. The raw material consumption has also increased. It is 69 crores in Q2 this time, while it was 40 crores in Q2 last time. In between, last quarter it was 60 crores. So, year on year, the raw material cost has increased 70%, quarter on quarter it has increased 15%. Yet, consumption of raw materials is not that great. It is a big portion of the overall cost, but still, the net profit, let us look at the net profit. Net profit is 18.57 crores now compared to just 5.12 crores in last Q2. 18.57 crores in this Q2 versus 5.12 crores last Q2. But there is an exceptional item of 4.48 crores in this year Q2. But if you reduce that also, it is much higher than last Q2 and somewhat higher than Q1. Quarter on quarter also it is higher, and year on year also it is much higher, even after reducing the exceptional items. Equity share capital, how much higher? Now, with exceptional items, the year on year growth is 263%. So, the year on year growth is 262%, but 263%. But if you reduce the exceptional items also, it may be around 200%, something like that. Now, quarter on quarter improvement is 54%. Again, exceptional items, if you remove, it may come down slightly. But overall, the Q2 FY19 latest quarter performance is very good. Equity share capital is 8.56 crores. It has come down slightly from 9.05 crores earlier. 2 quarters back, it was 9.05 because of a buyback which was offered to people, which has been accepted to some extent, and now the equity share capital has come down slightly to 8.56. The diluted EPS, including that exceptional item, is 21.69 compared to 14.1 in the previous quarter and just 5.66 in the Q2 last year quarter. So 21.69 compared to 5.66 in last Q2. Of course, exceptional item is there. Barring that, also it will be quite sizable. Now, the market price at present is around 536. Price earning based on the latest quarterly EPS is 6.18. The volumes are quite good. Volumes of transactions are quite good. You can buy, purchase easily. There is no problem. The 52-week low is 136. High point is 571. Now, year on year, that is last year what was the price and now what is the price? The difference is 371%. So it was a huge multibagger last year. Will it be a multibagger this year? It is likely. But who can say definitely? Nobody can say definitely. But we always estimate. It is my estimate against somebody else's estimate against your estimate. I feel if the market conditions are reasonably good, normal, then this could be a multibagger by next year, this time. Or at least in 2 years. See, the company is progressing well. We will see last year result also. Now, face value is 10 rupees. So, 536 around 540 like that. Now, and based on that, the price earning is just 6.18. Now, if you take price earning of 10, which is also very reasonable, then the price should shoot up like anything in a normal market. But in an exceptional market, in a corrective market, no predictions remain correct. But for a long-term investors, such opportunities matter. Now you are going to wait for 2 years, and Mangalam Organics, going by the current trend, can produce great results. So that is the way a long-term investor should think. And the decision is in your hands, not in my hands. I give you the facts. Now you have to take the decision. So Q2 results are good. How was the 2017-18 annual results? Gross sales were 245 crores in the 2017-18 year against 197 crores in the previous year. Gross profit was 26 crores in the latest year and just 13 crores in the previous year. Net profit is 14 crores in latest year and just 4.7 crores in the previous year, which means it has performed wonderfully in 2017-18 also compared to its previous year. So, results are good for the last year. Wonderful progress. Results are good for Q1. Results are good for Q2. Now it is your turn to decide. I will give the other details. Mangalam Organics has two primary segments. Terpenes is one segment and synthetic resins is another segment. Both have performed very well in the last year and also in the current Q2 and Q1. Under terpenes, they have camphor, dipentene and sodium. Sodium acetate. Now it is engaging leading consultants, experimenting in own laboratory and pilot plant facilities, and most importantly questioning age-old procedures of itself and practices. So it is trying to improve in all possible ways all its products. Now it has successfully reached and registered for REACH, which is an organization for promoting in the European market. And it has also been awarded an Indian pharmacopoeia certification as it prepares for GMP certification also. So it wants to sell in Europe also. Now camphor is the main product at present, contributing 80% of the terpene sales. Now the terpene camphor finds extensive usage in religious rituals in the domestic market. So, company is confident of its continuing growth in the years to come in the domestic market. and it is trying to grow the capacities and grades offered for the camphor to capture larger market share in both domestic and export markets. Domestic and export markets. So it's trying to reach out to larger consumer customers in both domestic and European markets, etc. Camphor provides a large retail opportunity all over India, which the company has to attract its share of the market. It should grow its market share. Now, company has applied for registration of 3 brands to sell its products through modern trade, general trade, and e-commerce. 3 methods of trading are there: modern trade, e-commerce, general trade. The first product is Mangalam. Mangalam is its brand for camphor tablets. Now then, Campure. These are home care products based on camphor, such as camphor cone, camphor sticks, camphor air purifier also. The third, that is Mangalam, Campure. The last is Camplus. Healthcare products based on camphor, such as pain relief spray, pain balm, nasal inhaler, based on camphor. Now, dipentene is another product, a byproduct which is used in manufacturing as a solvent in the paint industry. Dipentene is a solvent in paint industry. Demand for dipentene is growing in line with the demand for paint. So, it is also a contributor for growth in the foreseeable future in India. Dipentene is also gaining interest in the export market as a substitute for one oil, limonene. It is a ready substitute for in formulations for cleaning and decreasing agents. So it is gaining very great acceptability, dipentene, in the export market. So company is also trying to provide various grades of this material, dipentene, which the market requires. And therefore, the customers' base and realizations will improve in future. So it has got a ready market, dipentene. Then sodium acetate is a byproduct manufactured and used as a dye intermediate in textiles and dye manufacturers. Sodium acetate is required by textile manufacturers, dye manufacturers. That also has got wide-ranging applications in leather tanning, etc., and is being exported to Europe also. So, going forward, in future, this company is going to work to increase its production capacities of camphor and related products and explore avenues for intermediate products and their derivatives in fragrance industries and flavor industries, improve its quality to compete in international market, and invest further in the retail initiative. Now we'll go to synthetic resins. So there are 3 types of synthetic resins that are produced by this. One is terpene phenolic resin. It has application as a tackifier in the adhesive, tire and rubber industries, and it has tied up with Messrs. Less Derius, Resinex and Terpenix France, DRT France. So company will manufacture on behalf of DRT, and DRT will give technical guidance and global exposure market. This next is alkyl phenolic resin, and the third is rosin esters. All are growing. Now, the company is growing well, products are growing well, margins are quite good, latest results are quite good. Now you take your decision. Thank you for listening to me. I will be back with you with another good company.